Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dig Talk, where we dive deep into trends, ideas, and big questions. Today, we're exploring something a little magical, a little cosmic, and a lot exciting. Why is 2025 considered a lucky year? Let's dig in. So why is 2025 the year that many believe could bring good luck to everyone? Let's look at a few reasons. 1. A global reset and fresh start. After years of dealing with the aftermath of a global pandemic, economic uncertainty, climate challenges, and political tensions, it's no wonder why people are ready for a fresh start. 2025 seems to offer just that. A true global reset. New technologies, cleaner energy, better health systems, global events, space exploration, innovations. The world is finally moving forward with a renewed sense of clarity and purpose. It's as if we've collectively hit the pause button, taken a deep breath, and are stepping into the future with a clear-eyed determination to make things better. And you're right there alongside, ready to embrace all the opportunities that come your way. 2. Numerology, the power of 20259. In the realm of numerology, numbers aren't just symbols we use for counting. They hold a deeper vibrational essence that can reveal profound insights into our lives and the world around us. So let's break it down. 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 equals 9. Now, let's look at what the 9 means. It represents endings and new beginnings, wisdom, humanitarianism, and transformation. This is a powerful combination, isn't it? It suggests that 2025 will be a year of reaping what you've sown, a time when the universe will reward your efforts and align your actions with your deepest desires. It's a call to release the old, embrace the new, and trust in the journey of life. So as we delve into the insights of numerology, remember that numbers are not just digits. They're celestial whispers guiding you toward your destiny. 3. Astrology, big shifts in the stars. Astrologers say 2025 brings massive cosmic changes. Pluto in Aquarius pushes us into innovation, fairness, and global community. Saturn in Pisces supports dreams becoming reality. If you put in the work, these shifts encourage us to examine our beliefs, challenge conventions, and embrace originality. It's a time to dream big and take bold steps towards creating a better world. 4. Opportunities in tech, careers, and AI. From tech to careers to artificial intelligence, 2025 offers exciting opportunities. Remote work, creative jobs, and global business are on the rise. If you're into content creation, coding, design, teaching, or any field that lets you showcase your skills online, this is your moment to shine. With the right mindset and preparation, you can turn your passions into success. So whether you're an artist, a coder, or anything in between, 2025 could be your year to make a real impact and build a fulfilling career. 5. Personal growth and reconnection. As we move into 2025, there's a growing focus on personal growth and meaningful connections. People are seeking better mental health, deeper relationships, and a sense of purpose. It's a time for personal reflection, self-care, and reconnecting with what truly matters. By focusing on these areas, you'll find a renewed sense of balance, happiness, and clarity in your life. So is 2025 guaranteed to bring good luck to everyone? Well, not by itself. The universe doesn't hand out luck. It's what you make of the opportunities that come your way. And with that said, 2025 carries a unique energy that, coupled with your mindset and actions, could indeed make it your luckiest year yet. It's about staying open to possibilities, nurturing your dreams, and taking inspired action. The universe is brimming with opportunities waiting for you to seize them. As we reflect on this Dig talk, ask yourself, what do you want to manifest in 2025? Is there a dream you've been nurturing or a goal that's been calling to you? The universe is vast and full of wonders. It's time to tap into that energy and make this year your best yet. And with that note of inspiration, we wrap up this episode of Dig Talk. Don't forget to drop your thoughts, insights, and goals for 2025 in the comments below. Remember, the universe is listening. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep reaching for the stars, and remember, you hold the power to shape your own luck. Stay tuned for more enlightening conversations right here on our channel. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Dig Talk. If you enjoyed this conversation and want to dive into more thought-provoking topics, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Your engagement helps us continue delivering insightful and entertaining content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.